Hey guys, just got a quick question for you. Do you have any idea what it costs to get a divorce in California? Um, the cost can be prohibitive for a lot of people if they're looking to hire an attorney. Ten to $20,000 each side in attorney's fees. If you're lucky, if you get below 10,000, you basically hit the lottery. Okay, and so there's a huge problem because there's a lot of people out there, with very important cases and people with children and how they're going to get protected, and there's simply not enough money available to hire an attorney. And it's incredibly difficult because even if you do have the money, you can end up finding an attorney who doesn't do the job well enough for you. And if you don't have the money, this is what I've seen. We've seen people looking around to try to find either a cheap lawyer or perhaps somebody who can give them some piece of advice that's going to help them, do something on their own. And so I have created something that I think is just one of the it's really going to fill a need. Okay. It's going to, it's an online class on how to do your own divorce without an attorney. It is primarily geared for people with generally simple cases, not a lot of assets, not a lot of money. And, generally we're just, trying to get through the process. And I will go over the forms on how to start the case, how to serve the case. We touch on issues of domestic violence, child custody and visitation, child support, spousal support. There are disclosure requirements, and there are, um, the paperwork necessary to get a judgment completed. Okay, so I've completed this class. I think, when you're in an unhappy marriage, you've got several options. You can work to try to fix the marriage. You can, some people find it's more comfortable to stay in a bad marriage even if it doesn't get fixed. Other people try to hire an attorney to do a divorce so that they can claim a new life. And if you've got the money and assets to hire an attorney, then by all means, get legal representation. Okay, this class is not meant to substitute for an attorney on your case if you need it. But for the people who can't afford an attorney, I think this is a pretty good option. I know there's other options out there. You look at Google for do your own divorce, and there are services that promise to get you filed in 15 minutes for $100 or something like that. And I've actually gone through those classes, and I think I got something better. First of all, you're going to get a 2-year membership to this class. There's no other upsells. Okay, so it's not like you pay 100 for this and then you log in and oh you got to pay $50 for this and oh you got to pay $75 for this and oh by the way your membership expires after 30 days and you have to pay $30 a month every month you want to do this, and then you got to pay $90 for this, and you got to pay this, that, and the other. You are going to have access to these lessons for 2 years, which is about how long a lot of divorces take. And it's going to cover all these different areas. Okay. On the class, on the site, there's a place for you to get a free preview of what it's like, where I basically you take the form that you need, and there's a video of me walking you through what is needed and how you get it done. Okay, so I do want to share my screen with you guys so you can see this is what the dashboard would look like if you do sign up with it. And then you go in and you start the course, and you can see that it is going to log in, and all those, the curriculum you saw. Um, Look at that. There, it just kind of starts at the beginning. You're going to see beginning your divorce, restraining orders under here. You'll see there's a video and a form, and a video and a form walking you through the forms needed all the way through. Okay, there's if you're going to anticipate a default. As you can see, I do my best to cover all these issues. Okay, this is being advertised all over California, so I've got all the local rules for all your different counties. Okay, a lot of it's similar, A lot of it, varies a little bit by county, but um, all in all, I think this is a tremendous value. When you're looking at, paying somebody, an attorney, $350 for 1 hour, or going to the self-help center and standing in line for 6 hours hoping you can get somebody's attention, I think you get to do this from the privacy of your own home. You get to review the forms, you can print them off, we go through them together. No legal advice, of course. I can't be your attorney because sort of being the teacher in this class kind of precludes me being your attorney. But I think it just goes over so much that you're going to have such a better understanding of the process and help you move through your case quicker. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If this can be of use to you, go ahead and give it a shot. Paul Seabrook with Seabrook Law. Thank you for your time.